Most developers know the label element exists, but many miss why it's essential for both usability and accessibility. Let's break down what label actually does in HTML forms. The label element associates descriptive text with a form control like an input, select, or text area. But here's the magic. When you click on the label, it automatically focuses or activates the associated input. This makes tiny checkboxes and radio buttons much easier to click, especially on mobile devices. Your users get a bigger click target without any extra code. There are two ways to connect a label to an input. The explicit method uses the for attribute on the label, which must match the id attribute of the input. This keeps your markup clean and flexible. The implicit method wraps the input directly inside the label element. Both work perfectly, but the for id pattern is more common in production code because it separates concerns and works better with CSS frameworks. Why does this matter? 3 reasons. First, screen readers announce the label text when users navigate to the input, so visually impaired users know what each field is for. Second, that larger click area improves usability for everyone, not just people with disabilities. Third, it's a sign of professional, accessible code that respects all users. Skipping labels is a red flag in code reviews. Remember, the label element is the bridge between form inputs and human understanding. It makes forms clickable, accessible, and professional. Use it every time. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.